Walk for 30 minutes and your body starts repairing itself. Every day, millions of people search for the perfect exercise. Expensive gym memberships, supplements, complicated routines. But modern science keeps returning to one simple answer: walking. Not intense training, not extreme workouts, just walking. According to the World Health Organization, physical inactivity is one of the leading causes of preventable disease. But something remarkable happens when you walk for just 30 to 40 minutes a day. Your body begins to switch from survival mode into repair mode, and the transformation starts almost immediately. The activation phase. The moment you start walking, your brain sends electrical signals through your nervous system. Muscles contract, energy demand rises, your heart responds instantly. Heart rate increases, blood moves faster, more oxygen enters your bloodstream. Inside your cells, tiny structures called mitochondria begin working harder. Mitochondria produce energy for your body. The more active they become, the healthier your body becomes. At the same time, your blood vessels expand. This process is called vasodilation. Blood flows more easily. Pressure inside arteries decreases. This is one reason regular walkers have healthier hearts. The metabolic shift. After several minutes, your body begins adjusting its fuel system. Your muscles need energy, so they start pulling glucose from your bloodstream. Blood sugar begins to drop. This process happens naturally, without medication, without supplements, just movement. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, regular physical activity improves the body's ability to control blood sugar. Your cells become more sensitive to insulin. This means your body uses energy more efficiently. Then another shift begins. Fat cells start releasing stored energy. Fat is broken down into fatty acids. These fatty acids become fuel. This is when real metabolic improvement begins. The hormone response. As walking continues, your hormone system reacts. Stress hormones begin to decrease. Cortisol levels slowly drop. High cortisol damages the body. It increases fat storage. It weakens the immune system. It disrupts sleep. Walking pushes cortisol toward normal levels. At the same time, your brain releases endorphins, natural chemicals that improve mood. This is why walking reduces anxiety and improves mental clarity. Your nervous system becomes calmer, your breathing becomes deeper, your body becomes more balanced. The repair mode. After about 30 minutes, the deepest benefits begin. Your body shifts into recovery mode. Inflammation levels begin to decrease. Chronic inflammation damages blood vessels and organs. Reducing inflammation protects long-term health. According to the American Heart Association, regular walking significantly lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease. Blood pressure becomes more stable. Circulation improves. The heart works more efficiently. This is when walking becomes medicine. Hormones and testosterone. Many people believe only heavy exercise affects hormones, but walking plays an important role. Testosterone depends on overall body balance. Walking improves that balance. First, walking reduces excess body fat. Fat tissue converts testosterone into estrogen. Less fat helps maintain healthy hormone levels. Second, walking lowers stress hormones. High cortisol suppresses testosterone production. Lower cortisol allows hormone recovery. Third, walking improves sleep quality. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Better sleep supports hormone production. Walking does not produce sudden hormone spikes. Instead, it protects long-term hormone health. This is what doctors call sustainable health. The brain transformation. Walking changes the brain. Blood flow to the brain increases. More oxygen reaches neurons. Neurons produce more energy. Over time, walking stimulates protective chemicals in the brain. These chemicals help brain cells survive longer. Research from Harvard Medical School shows physically active people maintain better brain function as they age. Walking protects memory. Focus improves. Mental fatigue decreases. Your brain literally becomes more resilient. Why 30 minutes matters. 5 minutes helps. 10 minutes helps more. But around 30 minutes, multiple systems activate together. circulation improves, metabolism stabilizes, hormones rebalance, inflammation decreases. This is why doctors recommend at least 30 minutes daily, not because it sounds good, because biology demands it. Your body was not designed for constant sitting. It was designed for movement. Every step sends signals through your muscles, your heart, your brain, your hormones. Walking is not just exercise. It is communication with your biology. And the message is simple. Move or slowly decline. Walk and your body responds. Start with 30 minutes a day and let your body do the rest.